Hi everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Bookmarks Bar in Google Chrome. It's a super useful feature that helps you access your favorite websites in just a single click. Now, why is the Bookmarks Bar important? Well, the Bookmarks Bar allows you to keep your most visited websites right under the address bar. This means instead of typing long URLs or searching for saved pages, you can just click and go. Whether it's your email, school portal, or favorite YouTube channel, everything is just one click away when it's bookmarked. All right, let's get started. First, open up Google Chrome. In the top right corner, you'll see three vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down will appear. Now hover your mouse over the option labeled Bookmarks. A side menu will slide out. From this menu, click on Show Bookmarks Bar. The moment you do that, you'll see a new bar appear just below the address bar. That's your Bookmarks bar, ready for action. If for any reason you want to hide it, there are two simple ways. One, you can right-click anywhere on the Bookmarks bar itself and uncheck Show Bookmarks Bar. Or just repeat the same steps as before. Click on the Chrome menu, go to Bookmarks, and click on Show Bookmarks Bar again to turn it off. And that's it. You can enable or disable the Bookmarks Bar anytime you like. It's just one click away. If this video helped you out, feel free to hit that like button. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more quick tips, browser tricks, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.